Hello, I'm Xiao. In the course of Management 50/50, I experienced a transition from observer to practitioner. When I completed the Assessment 1 memo, my initial expressions were too prescriptive, such as using language like the company needs or must. Although straightforward, it ignores the audience position, which is not respectful or persuasive. Combined with the teacher's feedback, I referred to Walcock's stakeholder theory and adjusted the tone to something like this may be consistent with the company's core values. This shift gave me a deeper understanding that professional communication is not only about conveying information but also about building trust through empathy and cooperation. In assessment 2, the main challenge I faced was to shift from describing phenomenon to in-depth analysis. Initially, I only highlighted the superficial problems of HM fast fashion food model, such as the waste of resources and supply chain management, but failed to delve into their root causes. Through the 7-step ethical decision-making model learned in week 3, I reanalyzed the case in combination with deontological and consequentialist framework. For example, I explore how consumer demand for low prices is driving companies to squeeze costs in their supply chains, and this squeeze is accelerating environmental and social problems. This experience made me realize that solving complex problems requires systematic and multi-level thinking rather than focusing on a single phenomenon description. The application of AI tools is also an important area for me to reflect on. When completing Assessment 1, I used ChatGPT to generate a preliminary framework for the memo. The AI tools helped me build the logic quickly, but I found that generated content lacked focus, especially when it came to echo analytical core values. In conjunction with the week 2 system seeking, I optimized the framework for AI generation, aiding critical analysis and ethical models. This made me to realize that AI is a powerful tool, but human critical thinking and creative optimization are key to determine the quality of content. The management 50/50 also allowed me to define my career direction and responsibility. The ethical leadership course in week 7 told me that leadership is not just about management tasks but also about shaping team control through fair and transparent behavior. The personal action content in week 9 inspired me to take responsibility and drive change instead of wait for it. In the future, I plan to assist the long-term impact of career decisions through an ethical framework, such as prioritizing ethical partners in supply chain management while promoting corporate investment in green technologies and their circular economy. I also plan to use the SBI feedback model to create a transparent and inclusive team culture that encourage diverse viewpoints. Overall, the management 50/50 not only changed my learning style but also allowed me to grow from the observer who describes problems to a practitioner who can analyze and solve problems.